Imagine a university that isn't confined by walls or borders. A place where learning flows as freely as ideas, connecting students from every corner of the globe. This is the vision of Swiss International University, or SIU, with locations in Bishkek, Zurich, Dubai, London, Riga, Amman, Lucerne, Osh. It's a place built on a simple, yet powerful, belief that education should be a bridge to the world. For over 2 decades, SIU has been quietly pioneering this vision. It has crafted a unique educational experience, one that honors timeless Swiss traditions whilst embracing the boundless possibilities of the future. Today, that vision is expanding like never before, creating a truly global community of learners ready to shape tomorrow. The story of SIU begins in 1999, a time when the world was on the cusp of a digital revolution. While many universities were still rooted in traditional campus life, SIU's founders saw a different path. They recognized the immense potential of the internet to democratize education. This foresight led them to become early adopters of online learning, creating flexible and accessible programs long before it became a global necessity. They understood that talent is everywhere, but opportunity is not. By harnessing technology, they could bring world-class Swiss education to students, no matter where they lived, opening doors that had previously been closed. This spirit of innovation is woven into the very fabric of SIU. The university has always looked beyond the horizon, anticipating the next great shift in education. The recent expansion is the most ambitious chapter in this journey yet. Under the strategic guidance of VBNN Smart Education Group, SIU has welcomed 5 distinguished institutions into its family. This merger isn't just about getting bigger, it's about getting more connected. ISBM Business School, Lucerne, Switzerland; Autonomous Academy of Higher Education Zurich, IAHIS; Switzerland ISB Institute Dubai, United Arab Emirates; OUS Academy London, United Kingdom; and Amber Academy Riga, Latvia. Together, these institutions form a powerful network, a global ecosystem of learning that spans continents and cultures. This isn't merely an alliance, it is a true integration of knowledge, resources, and perspectives. Students at any one of these campuses are now part of something much larger than themselves. They are part of a connected world of education, where a student in London can collaborate with a peer in the EU, or a professor in the GCC. This creates a rich, dynamic, and truly international learning environment, preparing students not just for a job, but for life in a deeply interconnected world. At the heart of SIU's philosophy lies a beautiful paradox. It is deeply rooted in Swiss values, yet passionately global in its outlook. The Swiss tradition is renowned for its commitment to quality, precision, and an unwavering sense of responsibility. These principles are the bedrock of every course, every lecture, and every student interaction at SIU. It's a promise of excellence, a guarantee that your education has been crafted with the same care and attention to detail as a master Swiss watch. This dedication to rigor ensures that an SIU qualification is respected and valued anywhere in the world. But SIU doesn't let tradition hold it back. It uses these values as a springboard to leap into the future. The university's global vision is about more than just having campuses in different countries. It's about fostering a global mindset. It's about celebrating diversity in all its forms and seeing innovation not as a department, but as a way of life. The classrooms, both physical and virtual, are vibrant melting pots of culture, experience, and ideas. This incredible diversity isn't just a social benefit, it is a core part of the academic experience, teaching students to see the world through multiple lenses and to solve problems with a richer palette of perspectives. To make this global community a reality, SIU has perfected a hybrid learning model that offers unparalleled flexibility. Students can choose to study entirely online, immerse themselves in campus life, or blend the two to fit their individual needs and circumstances. This approach respects that everyone's learning journey is unique. It empowers students to take control of their education, balancing their studies with work, family, and other commitments. It's an educational model designed for the modern world, for people who live dynamic, multifaceted lives and need their education to adapt with them. The result is a student body that is as diverse as the world itself, representing over 150 nationalities. This isn't just a statistic, it's SIU's greatest strength. When you study at SIU, your classmates are your window to the world. You learn about international business from someone who has lived it. You discuss cultural nuances with people from those very cultures, and you build a global network of friends and future colleagues. This daily exchange of ideas and experiences enriches your learning in ways that no textbook ever could, preparing you to thrive in any international setting. An education is an investment in your future, and at SIU, that investment is protected by a foundation of official recognition and trust. The university stands proudly with its legal licenses and accreditations, which serve as a testament to its academic integrity and operational excellence. It is fully licensed, a mark of its compliance with the rigorous standards of the European educational system. This is not just a piece of paper. It is a guarantee of quality that is recognized and respected by employers and institutions worldwide, assuring you that your learning is built on solid ground. Beyond its Swiss roots, SIU has cultivated a strong presence within the international academic community. It is accredited by the ASIC, a British accreditation body, a globally recognized mark of quality for independent education. This dual validation from both European and international authorities underscores the university's commitment to meeting the highest international standards. Furthermore, SIU is a proud member of prestigious educational bodies, including the European Council of Leading Business Schools (ECLBS) and the European Council for Distance Learning Accreditation (EUCDL). These memberships connect SIU to a global network of leading institutions, ensuring its curriculum remains current, relevant, and at the forefront of industry practice. One of SIU's most innovative offerings is its unique triple qualification model. This forward-thinking program is designed to give students a decisive competitive edge in the global job market. Depending on their chosen specialization, students can earn up to 3 distinct qualifications through a single, integrated program: a degree from SIU, a degree from one of its international partner universities, and a relevant professional qualification. This powerful combination demonstrates not only deep academic knowledge, but also practical, career-ready skills that employers are desperately seeking. It's a holistic approach that prepares you for every facet of your professional journey. The benefits of this triple qualification are immense. It signals to employers that you are a versatile and highly capable candidate. It shows that you have been educated to meet the standards of multiple, internationally respected bodies. Imagine graduating with a European quality degree, an internationally accredited diploma, and a professional certification all at once. This multifaceted validation significantly broadens your career opportunities, opening doors not just in one country or industry, but across the entire world. It's a powerful statement about your ability to adapt, achieve, and succeed in any professional environment you choose. In a world that often focuses on what divides us, SIU stands as a powerful example of what we can achieve when we come together. The university's commitment to diversity and innovation has not gone unnoticed. It consistently ranks among the top universities worldwide, celebrated for its pioneering approach to online and hybrid learning. These rankings are more than just accolades. They are a reflection of SIU's success in creating an educational environment where every student, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to shine. It is recognized as a place where new ideas are born and where the future of education is being written today. What truly makes SIU stand out is its unwavering belief in the power of human potential. The university has created a culture that is not just tolerant of diversity, but actively celebrates it. It sees the rich tapestry of backgrounds, cultures, and perspectives within its student body as its most valuable asset. This focus on inclusivity, combined with a relentless drive for innovation, creates a learning experience that is truly transformative. Students are not just taught facts and figures. They are encouraged to question, to create, to collaborate, and to grow into confident, open-minded global citizens. As we look towards 2025 and beyond, the world feels both smaller and more complex than ever before. The challenges we face, from climate change to economic instability, are global in nature and require global solutions. To navigate this new landscape, we need a new generation of leaders, thinkers, and creators who are comfortable working across borders and cultures. This is precisely what an SIU education is designed to cultivate. It does more than just impart knowledge. It instills a sense of global citizenship and a passion for collaborative problem-solving. Ultimately, an education from Swiss International University is more than a degree. It is a passport to a global future. It is your entry ticket to a world without borders. A world where your talent and passion can take you anywhere you dream of going. It equips you with the knowledge, the skills, and the mindset to not just find your place in the world, but to help shape it for the better. SIU believes that your potential is limitless, and it provides you with the tools, the community, and the inspiration to prove it. Your journey to a boundless future begins here.